Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caesar salad dressing at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste or Worcestershire sauce, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your egg yolk, lemon juice, minced garlic, and Dijon mustard until well combined. This forms the base of our delicious dressing. Next, slowly drizzle in the extra virgin olive oil in a thin stream, whisking constantly. This crucial step creates a smooth, creamy emulsion, preventing the dressing from separating. It's time to perfect the flavor. Give your dressing a taste and adjust the salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. If you prefer a tangier dressing, add a bit more lemon juice. For a deeper, savory note, a touch more anchovy paste works wonders. Once satisfied, transfer your dressing to an airtight container. It stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Your homemade Caesar dressing is ready to elevate any salad. Toss it generously with fresh romaine lettuce and crunchy croutons for a classic Caesar. For a heartier meal, consider adding grilled chicken, succulent shrimp, or even some perfectly cooked hard-boiled eggs. This dressing also works wonderfully as a dip for vegetables. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.